Kermit's so excited about his new cage that he literally is sitting on it before I even had a chance to set it up. So you're gonna topple over if you. It's not sturdy, guys. You need to. That's so crazy. They're just. They go straight on it as if to say, "Ooh, this one's bigger than the ones that we have." Hey, it's your cage for you both to be in, so that you can start sleeping in the same cage at night. Save me having to put you in different cages throughout the day and at night, because you're no longer attacking each other. Oh God, he's sitting on the. Never seen him do that before. Whoa. You're getting good at those kind of things, bud. Uh-oh. She can't join him though. There you go. You're together again on a more sturdy surface. So she's turning around as if to say, yep, we're cool, we landed alright.